Stop making these speaking mistakes. No, seriously, these 5 mistakes are super common and most people don't even realize they're saying them. And here's the thing. If you don't fix these, your English will never sound truly natural and confident, even if your grammar is perfect. But once you do fix them, your English will instantly sound clearer, smoother, and way more confident. So let's break them down one by one the right way. Mistake 1. Can you explain me? Alright, let's start with a super common mistake. A lot of learners say, "Can you explain me?" Because in many languages, you can explain someone. But in English, no, it doesn't work like that. In English, you explain something and you explain it to someone. Explain something to someone. Think of it like 2 little boxes. Box 1, what? Box 2, to whom? So, explain me is missing the what. English hates missing pieces. Can you explain me? Can you explain it to me? Can you explain me the answer? Can you explain the answer to me? Can you explain me how it works? Can you explain how it works to me? Always think, explain what plus to whom. If you do this, you'll never make this mistake again. Mistake 2. She can cooks very well. Okay, number 2, tiny mistake but extremely common. After can, the verb must be in base form. No S, no ED, no ING. Just a clean, simple verb, like it came straight from the dictionary. So, can cooks is like wearing 2 shoes on 1 foot. She can cooks very well. She can cook very well. When you say it fast, she can cook. She can cook. It flows like water. She can cooks feels heavy and unnatural. He can runs fast. He can run fast. She can solves the problem. She can solve the problem. It can moves quickly. It can move quickly. Can plus base verb. Always. No decorating the verb. Keep it simple. Mistake 3. He said me the truth. This one confuses so many learners because other languages use this structure. English separates these 2 ideas. Say equals the words, tell equals the person. You tell someone, but you say something. So, he said me makes no sense to a native speaker. Instead of saying, he said me the truth, you can say, he told me the truth, or he said something to me. Are you talking about a person? Use tell. Are you talking about words or information? Use say. Combine it correctly. She said me the secret. She told me the secret. He said me about the plan. He told me about the plan. They said me this. They told me this. Just remember, say equals words, tell equals person. Mistake 4. Do you can help me? Alright, number 4, and trust me, I hear this all the time from beginner learners. English has something called helper verbs, like do, can, will, should, etc. And the rule is super simple. Only 1 helper per sentence. Do and can together? No, never. Completely incorrect. Do you can help me? Can you help me? When you use can, just drop do. It's clean and natural. Do you can open the door? Can you open the door? Do you can answer this question? Can you answer this question? Do you can come tomorrow? Can you come tomorrow? If you see can, will, must, should, etc., forget do. Throw it away. Done. Mistake 5. We discussed about it. Okay, last one, and this mistake is everywhere. The verb discuss already includes the meaning of about. So, discuss about is like saying talk about. Natives never say this. We discussed about it. We discussed it. Spot the verb, discuss, delete about, add the object. We discussed the plan. They discussed about the project. They discussed the project. I discussed about my idea. I discussed my idea. She discussed about the problem. She discussed the problem. Discuss already includes about, so never add about. That's it. 5 super common speaking mistakes. Now you know how to fix them. Practice these and your English will instantly sound smoother and way more confident. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next lesson.